Hey everybody, it's Nick Lydorf. How you doing? This is episode 64 of Off the Clock. I've done 64 Facebook Lives in a row. Thanks for watching. I am currently watching a lot of Sovereign Citizen videos, and I got to tell you that this one is probably my favorite that I've ever seen in my life. So excited to talk about this one. I included the original link if you want to check it out in the description. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to play the video for a little bit, pause it, comment on it. I'm a criminal defense lawyer. I've been a criminal defense lawyer for 14 years. I've also been a stand-up comedian for 8, and I love watching sovereign citizens interact with police and judges. And I got to tell you, this guy is one of my favorites, an OG sovereign citizen, David Hall. And this is an exciting video. And instead of me talking about the video, let's get into it. So let's bring this up here. So thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'm up over 1,000 subscribers so far, so I'm super excited that you guys have checked this out so much, and got lots of positive feedback and on this, and I'm excited to share this video with you. So let's hear from Mr. Hall.
For no bond. I informed your attorney he knows about your court date, sir. Thank you. David Hall.
Mr. Hall has declined the services of the public defender, Your Honor.
Mr. Hall, DUI, expired driver's license.
Good morning, Judge, I need to say how I'm appearing today, sir.
Hold on, wait, let me finish. Hold on. Okay. Hello, Mr. Hall.
So that was, just pause for a second. That was in the original video. So there was a pause. I don't know what the judge was saying to his staff, but as soon as David Hall says that he needs to tell the judge how he's appearing, I'm sure the judge paused the audio to say something like, "Shit, we're gonna have one of these days." So that was paused in the original video. So let's go back to this interaction with Judge John Hurley and David Hall.
Sir, you've been charged with DUI, expired tag, attaching a plate not assigned, license suspended, failed to drive in a single lane. Just give me a moment, sir. Let me look at your driving record. Okay?
Sir, I haven't said for the court how I'm appearing today,
Well,
sir.
I'm not asking you yet. Just give me a moment, all right? I need to look at your record. Okay, I'm looking here. Failure to pay traffic tickets back 2011. Open container out. Okay. All right, sir. Hold on. Does this gentleman, Mr. David Hall, does he have any criminal record?
Yes, Judge, and he also has pending felony DWLSs in front of...
Okay, what's the pending felony DWLS?
Use on... Okay, there's a few. 1 second.
I'll give you a moment to talk in just a moment, sir. Hold on, Mr. Hall.
The pending felony is 14016-582 CF10A.
Okay.
He also has pending misdemeanor DWLSs in front
What is that? What are they?
Judge Evans. Case number 14...
Wait, 14 what?
05...
This is the boring part, so just hold on, because it gets much better than this.
TC30A. Okay.
And that's it.
That's it?
And a criminal history, obviously.
Okay. Now, Mr. Hall, so you wanted to say something.
Yes, may I speak, Judge?
Well, don't tell me about what happened or did not happen regarding the DUI, but if you want to tell me about something
I'd like
else,
to state some things.
Go ahead.
I'd like to state some things for the record. Thank you, Judge. Judge John Hurley, I do accept your oath of office here today for the record, sir.
Thank you, sir.
He accepts his oath of office for the record. As the judge would have said, as I would have said, thank you. I appreciate that, sir, for acknowledging that he's a judge of the court. So we're going to hear this interaction. I'll try not to break it up as much, but this is some gold stuff from David Hall, who will find out. It will find out if this person is actually David Hall here in a minute, because this is a real intriguing interaction between David Hall and Judge John Hurley. Here we go.
Thank you. Does this court take this court take judicial notice of your oath, sir, with all due respect.
Let me see. I take judicial notice of my own oath. Yes, sir, I do.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Sir, today I'm appearing as the agent and settler for David Hall.
Okay. Okay. Could you get Mr. Hall for me then, sir?
So a lot of stuff going on. Judge John Hurley, I want to have a beer with this guy, number one. This dude is interacting with this guy just like I would do it. I would never be able to probably be a judge because there's videos on the internet of me doing stand-up saying some inappropriate things. But Judge John Hurley is just nailing this so far, 2 for 2 on the responses. And so he has to ask him if he'll take judicial notice of his oath of office, and the judge is like, "Yeah, I'll go ahead and do that." And that David Hall's telling us that that maybe he's not actually David Hall here, that he's appearing as someone else. I don't know. I'm intrigued, and I think the judge is too. So let's keep going. And what's interesting is watch the guys in the background here. The one guy has his head in his hands. I don't know if you can see my pointer here, but look at him. He's like, "Oh my God, do I have to go next after this idiot?" This is insane. So let's keep going.
Where is he?
I go by that name, sir. My name sounds exactly like the defendant's, and I'm here to settle that matter today.
So are you and David Hall one and the same person?
I'm not a person, I'm an individual. David Hall is a person, I am engaged to that
David
name.
Hall one and the same individual?
I go by the name David Hall, sir, and I'm here about that matter today.
Okay, so you go by the name David Hall. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. The person who goes by the name of David Hall is standing in front
I'm
of
the
you.
individual.
You're
I
the
am an
individual.
individual, not a person.
You're not a
Yes, sir.
person.
David Hall is a person. I am a private individual. David Hall is a person under color of law, sir.
I love that the guy, whoever this is, appearing in jail jumpsuit, has this like a way of responding. Like, how could you not understand this Abbott and Costello routine that I've just given to you? I'm the settlor David Hall, the individual. I'm not the individual David Hall. I'm not the person David Hall. So who's on first? Is this way of these sovereign citizens like to do this? And maybe he's thinking maybe Judge John Hurley will just get so confused that he will just completely dismiss the case. But oh man, it's just so wild. Just love it so much. It's crazy. All right, keep going.
Okay, where's David Hall then? The person David Hall.
Exists on paper, sir. David Hall is a corporation. This action is under color of law, sir, and I do understand that. I am here in my real capacity as the private individual for that name, and I'm here about that matter.
You're the
and I'm happy to settle it.
private individual, David Hall.
I'm the settler, sir.
You're the
I'm
settler,
the settler.
David Hall.
I'm the settler to David Hall, sir.
Are you the
I'm
private
happy to-
individual, David Hall?
Yes.
Good. Okay, we got that straight. We agree on that. Okay. Now, David
May I,
Hall,
sir?
David Hall, private individual. I'm looking at your driving record right now. Multiple failures to pay traffic tickets for the individual, David Hall, not the person. But, sir, what I'm going to
Can you
do...
clarify,
Go
sir?
ahead.
I'm not sure I understand that, but I'm happy to settle this matter right now if somebody will make presentment. Nobody has made presentment, and I've asked numerous times
When
for the
you
record.
say presentment, what do you mean by presentment?
Presentment of the charging instrument to set up and settlement, sir. I am the settler.
I just told you what it is. I told you what your I told you what the individual
Presentment.
David Hall did.
Judge,
Yes, sir.
I will require somebody to make me a presentment of the charging instrument on paper so that I may settle that matter. I'm here as settler, and I'm happy to settle the charge.
We're not
Right now.
We're not settling. Today's not the day to settle matters for these kind of charges. All right. We don't settle them today. All right.
May I say something else for the record,
Go
sir?
ahead, sir.
Thank you. I am a secured party under a UCC filing at the Secretary of State 201-308-717-006.
Okay.
I am a secured party to David Hall on the record. and through a filing at the Secretary of State, sir. I appear here today as the settlor agent, not the person, but the individual. And I don't think I should have you understand that
You're the
there's between a
settlor
person
and
and an
the
individual.
agent, and you're the individual, but you're not the person. Is that correct?
Correct.
Got it. I'm going to write that down.
So I love that the judge is like taking this opportunity to try and maybe learn from this just bit of absolute nonsense. I'm trying to keep up as well, like how like who's on first, who's doing what. He now says that he's got a UCC filing, that he's the agent for David Hall. Mentioned the corporations and settlers and private individuals. It's this, you know what? David Hall, whoever he is a complex man. Can we call him? Is he a man? Is he a person? Is he a natural born person? I don't know, but he sounds very complex. There's a lot going on with David Hall. And I'm not just talking about his multiple criminal history and felony charges that he also has pending. He has a felony driving on a suspended license. I didn't even know that was possible. Driving on a suspended license is normally a misdemeanor, which is just like, hey, don't do that again, kind of a thing. A felony is like, oh shit, you're going to jail. Like, that's wild that you could get a felony driving on a suspended license. I'm so intrigued. Let's keep going. All right, here we go.
Settlor. Agent. An individual. But you're not the person. Got it. I think, I remember, I think it was last week you told me this too. And I was a little uncertain, but it's all become very clear now.
Wait, the judge just said that they saw him last week? And he didn't remember? How could you not remember this? I would always remember David Hall, whoever that is, if it's the person, the settlor, the agent, the UCC filing, the natural born citizen. This would have been burned into my brain if I had this guy appear in front of me and we went through this like Abbott and Costello routine. I would have probably remembered it. So, man, John Hurley, you probably got a lot of cases if you don't remember this. This is just wild. So, but he wrote it down. To his credit, he did write it down, and I'm sure he'll remember David Hall, whoever or whomever or whatever David Hall is after this.
Now, okay, the settlor, the agent, the individual, is not the person. Okay, so does the settlor, the agent, the individual have any money in the bank?
Yes.
Okay, how much money does the settlor, the agent, the individual have in the bank?
I'm not certain at this time, sir.
Okay.
Only that I will give it an affirmative that there is money in a bank account.
Okay. And how long has the settlor, the agent, and the individual lived in Broward County?
25 years, sir.
Okay. Does the settlor, agent, individual own any property in Broward County other than personal effects?
No, sir.
Okay.
So Broward County, that's Florida. Like, this is so Florida. This is such a Florida thing to have happen. I'm sorry for normal people that live in Florida, but this is just, of course it's Florida. I mean, why wouldn't it be that we would have this great nugget of a sovereign citizen video coming all the way to us from Broward County, Florida? So, all right, here we go.
Now, does the person own any property or have any money in the bank? If you know.
In conjunction with myself, sir. In conjunction with myself, we both.
In conjunction with myself, we both have. So he's asking him these questions to make some sort of bond determination. So he's already declined the services of the public defender, which I'm sure the public defender's office was like, woo, we don't have to deal with David Hall and the 17 people that are David Hall. So he's just asking him this to make some sort of bond determination, I'm guessing. So here we go.
Both have. Yes, I'm the agent for that account also.
Okay, got it. Okay, so now Okay, now, here's what we're going to do. The settlor, the agent, the individual, and maybe even the person, David Hall, has been charged with DUI. DUI while the settlor, the agent, and even the person, David Hall, was out on bond on 2 cases, 1 felony and 1 misdemeanor, for license suspended. So the court believes that the settlor, the agent, the individual, and even the person, David Hall, represents a danger to the community because the settlor, the agent, the individual, and even the person continues to drive without a valid driver's license.
Oops.
In fact, a suspended driver's license in the state of Florida. And so, that being said, the court is going to...
May I make a correction, sir?
Go ahead, sir.
Yes, I'm traveling. You said that you used the term driving, and I was traveling, sir.
There we go. It wouldn't have been a sovereign citizen video if we didn't have a traveling mention, you guys. This is so great. It's ticked all the boxes for me. I love it. I love David Hall. If the person, the agent, or whoever, maybe David Hall has an agent at this point and he wants to chat, I would love to talk with David Hall. Please get in touch with me, David Hall, settlor, individual agent, or the guy who made the UCC filing. I would love to talk to David Hall because now we're talking about traveling versus driving or operating a motor vehicle. Wow, this is so great. Let's keep going. We're almost to the end.
Traveling.
Okay. All right. So the settlor, the agent, the individual, or the person, David Hall, for traveling on a public highway or public road in the state of Florida was allegedly doing so without a valid driver's license and has done it several times in the past. So today...
This is alleged, sir?
Yes, sir, it is alleged.
Allegedly?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
So today, the court's going to say the settlor, the agent, the individual's bond, and even the person's bond today, on count 4 at $10,000 because the settlor, the agent, the individual, and the person has not stopped driving even though the settlor, the agent, the individual, and the person continues to drive without a driver's license. So, that being said, count 1 is $500, count 4 is $10,000, and the court will revoke the bond for the settlor, the agent, the individual, and even the person of David Hall on 14-016-582-CF10 and 14-05-3909-TC30A. Both cases will cause the settlor, the agent, the individual, and even the person, David Hall, not to be able to be released from the Broward County Jail until further notice of the court. So,
May I post bond, sir?
well,
Is there any other...
Are you asking me as the settlor, the agent, the individual, or are you asking me as the person?
Judge John Hurley. God, love it. Love you, man. I love... As a comedian, that's a great question. The sarcasm is perfect and fantastic, and I love it. That was brilliantly done, sir. And yeah, if I'm ever down in Broward County, Florida, which I probably won't be, but if I am, if you want to grab a beer, I would love to do that. All right, that was great. Well done.
Sir, I'm asking, as the individual appearing before you today, about this matter.
Well, the individual, the settlor, the agent, the individual, or the person can post the bond. However, the settlor, the agent, or the individual, David Hall, will not be released in any event because this court is revoking the bond on a felony case and a misdemeanor case on the settlor, the agent, the individual, and the person, David Hall.
Where's my remedy, sir?
Well, whose remedy are you asking for? The settlor, the agent, the individual, or the person?
I'm asking for the opportunity.
Who are you speaking on behalf of right now?
Sir, I don't understand that question. I believe that you're trying to confuse me now.
No, I'm not.
I'm simply separating myself from the person. They are two different entities,
right,
and I know
but
that.
The court is not viewing you as two different people. The court is viewing you as
Well, why
one
not,
entity
sir?
for the purpose of these cases.
Then what entity are you referring to me as?
I'm
Because I
referring
think you're referring to me as...
the David Hall, who's the settlor, the agent, the individual, and the person.
I'm not the person, sir.
Okay, when
I am
you
not
see the
the
person, David Hall, tell him he's not leaving jail either, all right?
I love it. That's so good. So good. He kept his cool. I'm talking about Judge John Hurley, kept his cool, but at the same time, he's like playing back the nonsense. And this is hilarious for me. And I've seen it actually happen in court with my own eyes. And I love it. And I love videos like this. And let's see what the individual David Hall has to say about this.
Sir, then may I ask what my remedy is? Can you provide me a remedy so that
The
I may...
remedy is, you don't really have a remedy where you could appeal it to the 4th District Court of Appeal.
How long am I going to be held, sir? I would like to settle this matter.
Until another judge tells you can be released.
I would like to settle this matter, sir.
We're not going to settle it today.
Then I'm being denied my... For the record, I'm being denied my remedy.
What do you think your remedy is?
My remedy is being denied. For the record, I am the real individual, and this action is under color of law, and I don't understand this color of law action.
Okay. Well, have a nice day. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Down the middle. Let's roll.
Let's roll. Oh my God. That is great. Oh, there's more. There's a minute left. Let's see if there's anything else.
All right. Sorry about that, Mr. Miller.
Your Honor, I was expecting it, so I was well prepared.
Yes, sir.
Arturo Pinto?
I just wanted to make a clear record. That's all I was trying to do, is make a clear record.
Someday, Your Honor, I'm going to do a study and figure out exactly what's going on with all that stuff. Right now, it's just all a bunch of mumbo jumbo to me.
Whether you know it or not, I have a judgment for, I think, $100 million by the Sovereign Citizen Organization for, I don't know, something. But that was posted on my door a couple of years ago. So, Arturo Pinto.
Have you started making payments there, Your Honor, sir?
Arturo Pinto, Jay Court, Roberts, Dick.
He says that Judge John Hurley says he's got a judgment against him by some sovereign citizen organization for $100 million. Man, I felt bad for Mr. Pinto there at the end. He's got to follow David Hall. Like, as a comedian, like, when someone crushes first, as David Hall did in that situation, David Hall, whether he's the person, the individual, the settlor, the UCC filer, not appearing under color of law, whoever that was, he crushed it. He absolutely crushed it. And then as Mr. Pinto has to follow that, that's hard to follow. I gotta be honest with you. I would not want to be in Mr. Pinto's shoes because, number one, he's at the jail, and number two, he had to follow David Hall. So that was the Sovereign Citizen video, one of my absolute favorites so far. I'm delving deeper and deeper into this miasma of sovereign citizenry and loving every minute of it. Thank you guys for watching here today, and make sure to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Like I said, I don't know how it's happened, but I'm up over 1,000 subscribers, and I'm super excited to keep doing these videos. And yeah, if you want to share some comments, be nice in the comments. All right, I'm a nice guy. If you want to play nice in the comments, then let's play nice in the comments. If not, I'm just gonna delete your ass. That's all it is. That's what we're gonna do, because it's positivity. We're positively dumping all over sovereign citizens. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, you guys. Have a good rest of your night, and take care.